Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk through how to import your data from Google Chrome into the Epic privacy browser. Whether you want to bring over your bookmarks, passwords, or browsing history, I'll show you the easy steps to get this done securely. Let's dive right in. Open Epic Privacy Browser. Click the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then go to Settings. Click on Bookmarks in left. Then click Import Bookmark. Choose Chrome from list. Then select Data Available. Now click on Import. Epic will import your Chrome bookmarks, and they will appear in your Epic browser's bookmarks.